Welcome back. Let's explore some of the settings of our team. We can adjust settings and customize to determine how we want our team to function. So one of the things we can do is we can actually change our team picture. We just simply hover over the team picture and click on the pencil. Notice that here we can update the class name. We can even identify if this is for primary, secondary, or post-secondary and identify a subject. We can also choose from a graphic or upload our own graphic to be our team picture. All right, now if I click on the three dots next to the name of the team, I can click Manage Team to access settings. Here in settings, I will find an alternate way to change that team theme or team picture. But more importantly, I will see all the member permissions and what is currently turned on or off. By default, the give members the option to delete their messages is turned on. I would prefer to turn this feature off so that members of the team, that would be my students, cannot delete messages that they post to the conversation stream. I would leave turned on only owners can delete all messages. This one's important in case any of our students post anything inappropriate. I would leave turned on the give members the option to edit their messages. Notice that there are other setting permissions that I could allow for members, but most of these permissions I would not give to students. These might be ideal permissions to give to teachers who are added to, say, a PLC team as a member. Notice below there are also guest permissions. Now, the difference between a member and a guest is a member belongs to our district, while a guest is someone that you've invited using an email address from outside our district. When we get into talking about our Conversations tab inside the General channel as well as other channels, we will learn more about @mentions. But notice that there are specific settings for allowing @mentions or giving people the option to @mention either a specific individual, the entire team, or a specific channel. Here in settings is also where we find our team code. As discussed in our last video, we can display this full screen. We can reset, remove, or even copy the team code here to share with our students or guests. Under fun stuff, when we get into talking about the features of the Conversation tab, you will discover that students or members of the team can post animated GIFs or GIFs, memes, stickers to enhance their posts in the Conversations tab. If students are not conducting themselves appropriately or are misusing the animated GIFs or GIFs, stickers, memes, emojis, you can actually come into settings and turn these features off. It would be a good idea before using the Conversations tab with students to have a discussion about digital citizenship, academic conversations, and appropriate posts or responses to other team members' posts. Finally, last but not least, we can also click to expand OneNote class notebook settings, but notice that you will actually adjust these settings in your general channel inside the class notebook. And we'll talk about class notebooks more in future videos during week 3 when we take a closer look at OneNote class notebook.